Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready and the app installed. This saves time. First, make sure both devices share the same Wi-Fi network, ideally 4 GHz for stability. Next, open the app on each device and sign in if required. Grant screen capture and local network permissions when prompted so the app can detect the receiver. Once done, return to the app and choose your target device from the visible list to begin the connection process. You now build the live link between devices. Select the receiver shown in the app list and tap Connect. Wait for the pairing prompt on the receiving device and accept it. Make sure to set resolution and orientation to match the display and choose whether to stream system audio or microphone. If available, enable hardware acceleration or low latency mode to reduce lag. Once streaming starts, test by opening an app or video so you can confirm responsiveness and picture quality. You finish by stabilizing and wrapping up the session. If you notice lag or audio out of sync, stop the mirror and restart the connection. That often resynchronizes streams. Make sure bandwidth isn't saturated, move closer to the router or switch to a different Wi-Fi band. If the receiver does not appear, restart the app and devices and verify any firewall or router isolation settings are off. One quick troubleshooting tip: enable a direct Wi-Fi hotspot on the receiver to bypass router issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.